Hi, I'm Dave, and I would like to introduce you to the serious game Lease or Buy. The game lets you explore how to strategically balance ownership and lease business models in a circular economy. In the game, players work together in teams of two, with one player taking on the role of manufacturer and the other player the role of consumer. The aim is for the consumer to possess 3 working sets of each of the 4 products in the game: furniture, bathroom utilities, kitchen appliances, and electronics. The first team to achieve this goal wins the game. The teams simultaneously go through the 6 phases of each round. There are 5 to 7 rounds in the game. The game can be played with 4 to 8 players and takes 1.5 hours to play, plus additional time for discussion afterwards. In this video, we will explain how to set up the game, play a round of the game, and complete the game. First, set up the game progression board. Each team places their pawns on the owner experience path and the leasing experience path. Place the game progression pawn on the start here. Sort and place the facility cards on the facility cards square. The money is placed in the bank in the middle of the table. The product tokens are placed next to the bank with the new side facing up along with the experience points. An empty space should be reserved for the landfill. Each manufacturer receives the 2 facility cards belonging to level 1 and a one-off investment. Now start the game. Imagine a couple has just decided to buy their first home because their first child is on the way. Nice. They need to furnish their new home and be ready for their new arrival. A furnished home has 3 working sets of each type of product: furniture, bathroom utilities, kitchen appliances, and electronics. But products might break, and households need to manage their finances wisely. Teams will therefore need to balance leased and bought products. But watch out, changing business models might have unexpected consequences. Basically, in each round, teams decide how many products to produce them, receive a salary, pay bills, buy new products, and perchance break them and possibly level up. Now let's explain these 6 phases in a bit more detail, starting with the phase procure. Each manufacturer throws the dice to determine how many products they can produce. So I can produce 7 products. Later on in the game, this phase can also be used to recapture the value of broken products. They can be refurbished and made ready for sales as second-hand products. The second phase is manufacture. You can choose between manufacturing new products and/or investing in experience points. Investing is done by paying 10 res for each experience point to receive special benefits, as can be seen on these tracks. Manufacturing is done by paying the bank the manufacturing price for each new unit you want to manufacture and deciding which business model you will use for each product. Phase 3 is income and obligations. Consumers receive a paycheck. In future rounds, consumers will also pay their existing leases and move the appliances up a spot. When a lease is finished after 3 rounds, it returns to the manufacturer. The fourth phase is shop. Consumers can buy and lease products from the manufacturer. These can be new or second-hand. In this case, the consumer chooses to lease a kitchen appliance and buy 2 pieces of furniture. These are placed and sorted on his board. Phase 5 is consume. For each of the products, consumers throw a die and determine which one malfunctions or breaks. If you throw a 1 or 2, leased products are moved into the refurbishment facility, while bought products are moved to malfunctioning. If you throw a 1, 2, or 3 for a malfunctioning product, it breaks completely and is moved to the landfill. In phase 6, level up, teams can progress a level and get strategic benefits by paying 3 experience points. If, at the end of a round, a team has 3 working sets of each of the 4 types of products on the consumer board, they are the winner of the game. Now it's your turn to play. Workshops and games can be purchased through www.rescoms.eu.